Here's another area where they've lost sound. Where is it? That's where the microphone is. At 9 Alina. You see that motorcycle driver? See that motorcycle driver? Alina is where they're miking. So we're at April 11, 2014. I'm going to show you an area where it's mic'd. See the satellites up there? And that driveway right there. Okay, that driveway, we have people who idle vehicles in both sides, whether it's here or on this side, which is, it says 911, 909. And what happens is the miking that they utilize with the satellited area over there, they idle vehicles on both sides of the street from that side to this side. And then what happens is that sound is projected into where my living location is, which is from this building down this particular alleyway. Which is down here. And that's where my room is right there. And so they use these areas, these vento areas, where they can stick speakers. So up there. And you can put those parametric type speakers, you can put it below, because I have this whole area down here below. Same as here. So what that does is it shows that from an external location, they'll have community-based street terrorists idle vehicles in different locations throughout where they've set up the speaker systems or the microphones that project sound.